When criminals are faced with their final moment of decision, whether to do anything they can to escape or surrender and face reduced consequences, what happens if they manage to slip away from the cops right in front of them? Here are 4 examples of this. We start with a chase that looks like it's from a reality TV show, but you probably didn't expect this plot twist. A chase that looks like it's from a movie gets interrupted by a true TV reality star. It started in Los Angeles, where the suspect was driving wildly in a stolen BMW. He went the wrong way and even reached speeds of 90 miles per hour. He was weaving and squeezing and then, boom!
Boom! He just crashed!
But that's not the end of the story. After the crash, he got out of his car and started running on foot, crossing 3 lanes of traffic. Then he grabbed a skateboard and tried to escape on it, hilariously. We can describe his technique as terrible, but soon he was back on foot again until a red truck blocked him and forced him to change direction. In this foot chase, 2 good Samaritans got involved. A passerby who tried to take down the car thief and the driver of a red truck.
Whoa! Who's that guy?
Behind the wheel of the red truck was Lou Pizarro, the star of the True TV reality show Operation Repo, known for repossessing vehicles that weren't paid for. He bravely helped in the chase and declared,
"It's just instinct, just to, block the guy off."
The car thief was caught and charged with auto theft, and the police took the skateboard as evidence. After this seemingly silly but interesting chase, we move on to one where the suspect carefully planned their escape.
What's up, young buck? Maybe your gas can say it's hurt and maybe you can get out for it.
This is Joel Sanchez Delgado. He was most recently arrested and claimed to be seriously injured, saying he couldn't feel his legs and needed a wheelchair. Delgado was being taken into the county courthouse. The police were shocked when this happened.
Oh, I'm gonna catch you, baby. I'm finna shoot your
For someone who's supposed to be seriously injured and in a full-body cast, he's surprisingly quick, and soon he disappeared without a trace. Imagine the disbelief of the cop chasing him.
Which way you go? Nah, which way you go?
Went straight through the alley and cut that way. What you
Your
need?
phone. My damn radio came.
Hold on. Damn, bro, I tried to come behind you and get him.
I don't know where he went.
And I tried to get him.
Hello? Hey, Hook. The wheelchair dude got up and ran. Yeah. I couldn't catch his ass. And my radio was in the mother. I had my camera on though. The wheelchair dude. I couldn't catch him. Hell. Tim's had pulled off. Yeah. I can't even remember his name. He on the road. Hey, he took off, man. The wheelchair dude ran. He had a neck brace on and all that shit.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Didn't need that wheelchair very much, did he?
Hell no. Dude ran, man. Yeah, with my radio. Yes, he did. Dude ran. Hell yeah.
What's even more interesting is that, according to the police, this escape was something he had been planning for a while. Unfortunately for the fugitive, his run for freedom didn't last long. He was found and arrested the same evening. His criminal history includes domestic violence, trafficking, attempted assault, and car theft. He's previously served time in Florida and is currently under federal investigation. Unlike foot police chases, car chases are much more dangerous for the public. This one was particularly high risk and unusual because it took place on dirt roads in Fulton County. It all started with a seatbelt. The driver of a Ford Taurus wasn't wearing his seatbelt. So, Trooper Arnold did what any good officer would do. He rolled down his window and told the driver to pull over. Instead of simply accepting the ticket, the driver asked, "What for?" When Trooper Arnold explained it was because he wasn't wearing a seatbelt, did the driver pull over? Nope. He hit the gas and started fleeing from the cops. It seemed like this would be a simple and easy chase for the Arkansas State Police until this happened. Yes, this is a dusty chase, making it very difficult for the troopers. The Ford is kicking up a lot of dust, reducing visibility. And the police chase continues in the dust, and it goes on and on and on.
Call 870-741-1711.
After 5 minutes of chasing through all this dust, Trooper Arnold decided to call off the pursuit. You could say it was a driver skill issue. Police often cancel chases when lives are at risk, and it also tends to make the driver slow down. No one expected a 30-year-old tourist to outrun an ASP Charger. Here's what the report says about the incident. Trooper Arnold decided to call off the chase because the gravel road created too much dust, making it hard for him to see the suspect's vehicle safely. Continuing the pursuit under those conditions would have been too dangerous. What's more dangerous than a car chase, a motorcycle chase? The reason for this pursuit? No license plate. Typically, criminals who steal bikes remove the plates to make it harder for authorities to track them down. And now the real show begins. The suspect tries to confuse the cop, leading him toward the wrong turn, hoping to slip away. Let's see if the officer's calm training will pay off. Here we go again. After playing a game of cat and mouse, this time the mouse got away. He merged onto the highway, sped up, and the cop lost all track of him. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button and check out the next video on the screen.